Hi guys, I was recently given something incredible and right now I would like to unpack it, then use it for maybe 1 week or 2 and after that make a small review. At the end of this video, of course, I will share with you who gave me such an awesome gift. This is the HUAWEI MateBook X. Let's open it. The first thing that catches your eye is the marvelous silver color, very luxurious and high-end. The laptop is pleasant to touch. I am shocked how light it is. This is a huge advantage because it will be extremely convenient to take it with you on vacations, business trips, or in general even working in a cafe. The first impression of the laptop is elegant, stylish, just the perfect companion for the mobile productivity. Therefore, I will go to work on it right now. I will test it in full. See you in a week. I am absolutely delighted. It is very cool. There are so many useful functions here. I will tell you everything. First, the display. The picture quality is impressive. It is 3K infinite full view display which offers a 90% screen to body ratio. I also put a super like on the touchpad. The powerful quad speaker system makes great sound. You can watch my videos on YouTube with even greater pleasure. For the tech savvy, the laptop has the 10th generation Intel Core TM processor, ensures smooth performance. All this time, the laptop kept a charge for a very long time and quickly charged up to 100%, so I was not chained to an outlet. It's widely convenient. It seemed very interesting for me that while using, by connecting a mobile phone to a computer, both devices work with one screen at once. Moreover, the wire is not needed for this. The phone should only be attached to the laptop. The multi-screen collaboration feature has 4 main applications. Wireless projection, that is bringing the phone screen to a laptop. Collaboration on multiple screens, I can work both here and there. Open and edit files between devices. All my files after editing it by default will be saved in the original directory of the mobile phone, as well as a phone call from a PC. This is generally ultra convenient. That is, you can make and receive calls from 2 devices at once, both via a laptop camera and a phone camera, or you can even make it without a camera. You can also receive and send messages from 2 devices. To sum up, I would like to say that I really enjoy the experience of using the HUAWEI MateBook X. Thank you very much, HUAWEI team, for this incredible gift. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye!